The heck is all this?
What?
Why are we all squarular?
Oh, this is Minecraft.
My what?
Minecraft. It's a game about building and shaping the world to be whatever you want it to be.
Sounds stupid. Artistic outlets are dumb.
Well, if it's so dumb, then why don't you just go back to the real world?
You know what? Fine, I will. I have no idea how to do that.
Yeah, me neither. I've been stuck in here for a while and I have no clue how I got here, LMAO.
Well, this is pretty bad, dude. How are we gonna make YouTube videos?
I mean, if we're being honest, you're probably better off staying here and making Let's Plays if you want the views.
Not an option. I've lived the Let's Play life once before, and I do not plan on going back. I'm gonna go ask around for a way out of here.
Alright, you do that.
Cool.
Oh. Hi there.
Alright, where there's buildings, there's people. So, where are all the people at? Where is everybody? I'm not seeing a goddamn soul anywhere. Huh? Dude, a person. Nice. Hey, excuse me, sir. I was just looking for a way out of here, and I was hoping you'd have any idea how to do that. Can you help me out? Jesus, dude. Your nose is huge. Like, that thing is massive. I'm a little worried to stand near you in fear of suffocation due to you breathing in all the oxygen within the immediate area because of your gigantic nose. I mean, I don't have a nose right now because I'm made up of like several pixels, but damn dude, you got enough nose for the both of us. Serious question, can you smell what I'm thinking right now? Also, how many buildings do you think you could demolish with a single sneeze?
Hey yo, bitch!
Huh?
The fuck you saying to my villagers? You trying to start some shit, bro? Cause I'll finish yo shit, bro.
Oh, so this is actually a person? I kinda thought it was a monster because it was so ugly.
That's it, dog. Yo dead.
Huh? Oh, crap.
Get your ass back here, bro. You gon' diss my boy.
And so basically sometimes I feel like he doesn't appreciate me or my input, you know?
Oh, I think I lost him. Whew. Hey, Robert. Who's this guy?
Damn, I really like that guy. The creeper, I mean, not Cudgle. That guy sucked.
Yeah. What the heck was that? Did I just die? Where the hell am I now? Oh. Okay.
So how was dying?
I would rather experience the worst day of history's most unfortunate person for a millennia than experience even a moment more of death. Simply thinking about the pure nothingness that I just went through when my life briefly ended would make an average man drop to his knees and lose his sanity in an instant. Not me, though. I'm kind of an idiot, so it's hard for my brain to think of existential stuff like that.
Well, screw you, Cudgle. You killed my new and only friend.
That guy detonated himself and murdered me! I don't even know how that's anatomically possible or evolutionarily beneficial.
Yeah, so why is it that I'm stuck here with you, and not with him? Sure, you just experienced death firsthand, but I think I've got it worse since I have to deal with you every day.
I'm gonna go look for a way out of here.
Alright, don't die again. Or do, I don't care. Oh hey, you're back. Wait, are you the same guy from before? He kind of literally exploded, so I'd be very surprised if it's you. Well, whatever. Hey, how are you at making custom amiibos? Wanna make a video so I can steal your ad revenue while my YouTube monkey is getting us out of this mess? Nice. They're little toys that mainly interact with Super Smash Bros. I highly doubt that. There you go, get that clout. That's actually very unsettling to think about.
Alright everybody, let's get started on this Creeper custom amiibo. Wait, what's that? What? It doesn't make sense that I, Cudgle, am narrating this right now, since the skit you just watched set up the fact that Cudgle is looking for a way out of Minecraft at this moment and is not the one making today's custom? Well, to that, I say, you know what? Let's just roll with it, because I'm just as confused as you are. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you might want to go back and watch the skit from the first part of this video. All we need for this custom is some of this green clay, some black paint, some dark green paint, and some matte finish. Even though a creeper is only made up of cubes and rectangles, it's deceptively difficult to make those shapes out of clay, since it's pretty hard to keep their surfaces flat. I plan to have him in a walking pose, looking over to one side, like in this picture. I started by making the head, which was just a cube. It was actually pretty difficult to make each side the same size, so this part required quite a bit of reworking. Next was the body, which was a long, thinner rectangle. When the head is finally put on, it'll be at a slight angle to show how he's looking off to the side. By the way, can you help me with a little experiment I have going on? Basically, all you have to do is go down below and hit the like button. I'm trying to see how many people like this video, and the number of likes this video gets should shed at least a little bit of light on how many people have liked it. If not, that's completely okay, but I am definitely curious. Now for the little feetsies. I made another cube about the same size as the head, then cut it in half, then cut those halves in half again, so that I'd get 4 tiny little rectangles. Unfortunately, the toes this creeper will be getting are just painted on claw things, so there are no toes to suck. I attached the legs together in pairs using small pieces of wire. They're at a different angle than each other to show some legs raising up, indicating movement. The pairs of legs were then attached to the body using another piece of wire. This is a really important, crucial piece to include, since the legs would very easily break off without it. With it though, it should be more than fine. I didn't want to just use clay or paint on the face, so I drew a little outline with a needle tool, then started pressing in the shape of the face to give it some depth. I'll still be painting the inner part black, but paired with the sunken in look, it should look really good. And I would know, since I know what it's gonna look like, because I've already edited the rest of the video and you have assumedly not seen the end yet. Although I do put a picture of the finished sculpture in the thumbnail of my videos, which is probably something I should stop doing if I want to surprise people with the ending reveal, but I've never made a smart decision in the past and I don't plan to start now. I put some wire where the head will connect to the body, just for good measure. We'll put the head on once we bake it. I also put some wire in the legs so that the wire can stick into the base itself, making the sculpture extremely sturdy. Speaking of baking, we should clean the clay with some nail polish remover on the end of a Q-tip, then we can chuck it all in the oven. I baked the head separately, so we can glue it onto the body now. And remember, we wanted it at a very slight angle to show him looking off to the side. Now we can put him on the resin base I made beforehand. The base can be made out of clay, but I prefer resin since it looks a whole lot better. Inside the two bases is the Amiibo NFC chip, which is for a Piranha Plant amiibo, meaning that this creeper will be a Piranha Plant when you scan it into Smash Ultimate. I held a poll on what character you guys wanted it to be in-game, and surprisingly, the majority said Piranha Plant. I guess it makes sense because of factors such as Notch saying creepers would feel like dried leaves, and that one game theory video making a lot of fair points that creepers are actually plants. However, the explosion part made me want to make it a hero amiibo because, well, you know. But the hero amiibo isn't out yet as of this video being made. Another good choice would have been Snake because of his many bomb attacks, but that amiibo also is not out yet. So, our creeper boy is gonna be Piranha Plant. In the effort to keep my sanity, I'm gonna go for a more simplistic look when it comes to the camouflage pattern and just add a few lines of darker green instead. I've seen this method used in a lot of official merchandise, and it looks pretty good, while also saving me a whole lot of time from not having to paint each of these pixels a different color like in the official art. The claw toe things, however, I did paint pixel by pixel, since it would have looked kinda weird otherwise. Those back legs were super hard to paint since it was so difficult and awkward to reach a paintbrush back there. Probably should have painted this guy before I glued him to the base, but whatever. And lastly, we have to cover the creepy boy in some matte finish to protect the paint. And whoa, what the heck? We just finished our Creeper Custom Amiibo. Don't click away just yet, because there's plenty left in the video, but thank you all for watching this far. If you liked the video, pressing the button down below where the thumb is pointed upward would be very, very cool, and maybe even subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I've got some cool social mediums, like Twitter, where I post Les Epic Memes, Instagram, where I show you guys early work-in-progress pictures of customs, and maybe even my website, Cudgle.com, where you can find more videos like this one, as well as comics that I write and draw. If you want a commission, check out my Etsy, where you can message me and we might be able to work something out. At the time of this video being uploaded, this Creeper Custom Amiibo will also be on Etsy for sale, so be sure to pick it up while it's still there. Alright, I guess just pretend this whole narration was all done by the Creeper from the skit, cause we're about to get back to the wacky hijinks that Cudgle, Robert, and that Creeper are up to. Can they make it out of Minecraft? Who knows?
Sure, I guess. I don't really care as long as I get to take your money.
Alright, Robert, I think I found a way out of Minecraft. Creeper? Oh, man! Alright, I won't say it.
Hey Cudgle, you need to step up your game. This guy here just made a bomb-ass amiibo of himself.
Alright, that's cool and all, but do you want to get out of this video game or not?
Yeah, let's go. I feel so much less animated right now than in real life, so I'm ready to get out of here.
Alright, but, what about this guy?
Oh, I don't know. I just planned on taking all his ad revenue from the custom amiibo he just filmed.
Fair enough, but also why isn't he trying to kill me like the other one did? Okay, I guess. Have fun with that. Anyway, you ready, Robert?
As I'll ever be. So this is the way back to real life?
I think so. Some weird guy in disgusting clothes told me about it. Oh, okay, I see. Well, thanks for the info, man.
Well, I hope he was right. You ready?
Yeah, let's go. Wait a minute. This isn't my studio.
What gave you that idea? Was it the huge dragon flying around?
Yeah, I guess that guy did mention a giant dragon we have to kill before we could get back home.
Well, what are you waiting for? Go kill it.
Okay, I'll try. Hey, bozo! Get down here so I can kill you. Oh, he's coming pretty quickly.
This might be fun to watch.
Ah, dang it, I died again. I gotta get back there and try again. Oh, I'm coming, Robert.
Hello again.
Alright, I'm ready for round 2.
Go get him, Tiger.
Onward! Yeah! Yeah! Whoa! Ah, shoot! Again!
Sup.
No! No, don't get in close. Ah!
Hey dude,
Robert, I cannot kill this thing.
maybe you should try gathering supplies that would help you in the fight, like armor and weapons.
Dude, you know my patience is way too thin for that. No way. When did you get here? So, you've been here the whole time? Alright, so how can you help?
Wait, but then you'll die, won't you?
Hold on, what are you two talking about? Oh.
But there has to be another way. But you were just saying how you found new meaning in life, and...
Yeah.
I'll miss you, Creeper.
Oh, hey dude, we're back!
Yeah, I guess we are. But at what cost?
Yeah, that guy started to grow on me at the end there. Even though his kind literally murdered me.
He was able to make custom amiibos. I could have replaced you with him. He could have been my excuse to get rid of you. I'm so upset right now.
I'm sorry for your loss, Robert.
I still think of him sometimes. What? How the hell are you here?
How did you survive?
Didn't you blow yourself up at that dragon?
Oh yeah, I guess that would work.
This is amazing news. Now you can replace Cudgle as my YouTube monkey. Aw, what a cop-out. That just seems like lazy writing in order to keep the status quo to me.
Well, I guess you can stick around here if you want.
Well, now what do we do?
Want to play Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.